Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. In this video, I am going to explain worksheet sums of class 10th topic sets. Okay, this is the first worksheet, that is revision quiz. Students, yesterday evening I kept some worksheet to you, right? To attempt. Okay, so I am giving solutions of this worksheet, guys. Please go through. If there are any doubt, you can ask me in the class or you can comment me, okay, in the comment section. So I give 3 worksheet. In that first one I am skipping, so I gave solutions of second worksheet and the third worksheet. Okay, so second worksheet name is the revision quiz. So what is the question? List the members of each set, then find the intersection, then union. Please type the appropriate brackets and separate the members with the appropriate mark. Okay, first one, a equal to set a equal to first 4 square numbers. So what are the square numbers, guys? So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. They said up to 4 only. Okay, we can write this set in this way also. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. You can write in any of the ways. Coming to second one, set b equal to composite numbers less than 12. So what are the composite numbers? The numbers which have more than 2 factors. Other than 1 and itself, those are the common for every number. So other than those two, if we are having any factor, those are called the composite numbers. Okay, so what are composite numbers exist from this question which are less than 12 they give. So 4 is the minimum composite number. Next 6, because 4 it will go in 1 table, 4 table and 2 table. So other than 1 and itself, 1 and itself is 4, and what is other table? 2 table. 6 it will go in 1 table itself, 6, and what are other factors? It will go in 2 table and 3 table. So therefore it is composite number. Similarly 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now coming to third question, guys. A union B. This is set A, this is set B. Yes or no? So they are asking to find A U B. Combining. How can we combine A union B? Set A contains 1, 4, 9, 16. Set B contains 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So combine all the elements by eliminating duplicate values, repeated values రాయొద్దు. ఓకేనా, రిపీటెడ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నా కూడా we need to write only one time, guys. Duplicate values అంటే repeated values. Okay, so that is a union B. We need to combine the sets by eliminating duplicate values. So 1, 4 is repeated, we will write only one time. 6, 8, 9 repeated, but we will write only one time. 10 and 16. So this is AUB. Coming to A and B, that is A intersection B. What are the common elements in set A and set B? This is set A, this is set B. Okay, what are the repeated elements in set A and set B, guys? 4 is repeated. First see from 1. 1 is repeated? No. 4 is repeated? Yes. And 9 is repeated? Yes. 16? No. So we have 2 repeated terms, that is 2 common terms from set A and set B. Therefore 4, 9, guys. I hope you understand this video. In the next video I am going to tell the second sum and third sum. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please comment me if you are getting any doubts in these sums. Okay, or you can ask in the class. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.